A tank contains liquid nitrogen, 108 kilograms per cubic meter. At a depth of 13.5 meters, there is an absolute pressure of 313.7 kilopascals. What is the pressure at the top of the liquid in PSI? Oh, man. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Oh, I see. So we're solving for the pressure above it. So here's this tank of liquid nitrogen, right? Okay, and the pressure at a depth of 13.5 meters is 337. This pressure is equal to 313.7 kilopascals, so times 10 to the third pascals. That's what a kilopascal means, right? Okay, so what is the pressure at the top of the liquid? I think we can do that. That's not too hard, right? Okay, so pressure is the pressure at the top of the liquid plus rho g d, right? Okay. We know that the absolute pressure is 313.7 times 10 to the third pascals, right? And we're solving for this pressure, which is not at the top of the liquid, right? In there. That is not an atmosphere. It's more than an atmosphere, possibly, right? I wrote this because I used to work in a laboratory where we didn't have dewars this tall, right? But we had these a dewar is an insulated container that you can put liquid nitrogen in, and they would keep 30 psi above the fluid so that it would, propel itself out of there. 30 psi. All right, so let's see. So pressure naught plus our density, which is 808 kilograms per cubic meter, right? Times 9.81 newtons per kilogram, right? Times 13.5 meters. I guess we're just solving for that. Okay. So 313.7 times 10 to the third minus 808 times 9.81 times 13.5. And I get that the pressure above the fluid is 206,692.52 pascals, but notice that it asks for it in PSI, right? But that's not hard, so let's go 206,692.52 pascals divided by an atmosphere in pascals. That's times 10 to the fifth, right? Times 14.7. Okay, so divided by 1.013 E5 times 14.7. So this is an atmosphere in PSI. That's an atmosphere in pascals, right? Standard conversion here. And I get that it's the pressure is equal to 29.99388 PSI. We have only 3 sig figs, so we would round that to 30.0 PSI, which is what I recall. We kept them at like 30 PSI. Yeah, all right.